Do you hate cleaning? We like cleaning for you. Are you tired of coming home to a dirty, messy house? Do you wish you had more time to enjoy life instead of worrying about cleaning? Let us take care of the dirt and clutter so you can relax in a sparkling, clean environment. Why choose Likes Cleaning and General Services? We have 5 main reasons. 1. We have a crack professional team. Our experienced and background-checked cleaners are dedicated to providing top-notch service. Trained in the latest cleaning techniques, they tackle every mess with precision and care, ensuring your home looks its best. 2. We use the latest and most effective tools that will produce the best results, ensuring quality and efficiency. We have top-of-the-line vacuum cleaners, floor polishers, steam disinfection machines, ladders, scaffoldings, and other equipment. We also provide our staff with the appropriate personal protective equipment to ensure everyone's safety while working. 3. We make use of eco-friendly products. We believe in a clean home and a clean planet. That's why we use safe, non-toxic cleaning solutions that effectively eliminate dirt and grime without harming your family or pets. Enjoy a fresh space with peace of mind. 4. Customizable services. Every home is unique, and so are your cleaning needs. Whether you require a one-time deep clean, regular maintenance, or specialized services, we tailor our offerings to fit your lifestyle and preferences. 5. Satisfaction. Guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not completely happy with our service, we'll work tirelessly to make it right. We pride ourselves on building lasting relationships with our clients based on trust and excellence. Our comprehensive cleaning services include residential cleaning, such as regular housekeeping, home deep cleaning, and pre-move-in or post-move-out cleaning services. We do commercial cleaning, such as office cleaning, janitorial services, and specialized cleaning for businesses. We also do specialized cleaning services, such as carpet cleaning, window washing, and upholstery cleaning to refresh your space. Get started today. For inquiries or booking requests, our contact information are listed on the screen. Our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or special requests. Let Likes Cleaning and General Services make your home shine, because you deserve a clean, safe, and clutter-free space to enjoy life's moments.